Hey guys, it's a rainy day here on the Oregon coast, so I'm going to take you for a little walk through my gallery. And it's my gallery slash studio. You can see my whole lamp working setup back there with my kilns and great kinds of all kinds of beading supplies here. Here's where I just shot a video here right at the front. That's where I do some of my painting here. But we have some really extraordinary art in here. It's not all mine. This is from a guy by the name of Wardlow, Steve Wardlow, and he was absolutely amazing artist in Hawaii. Here are my jewelry cases. And these are glass beads that I have made. It's a technique called lamp work. There's one there. And here, of course, is a couple of my paintings. And you can see how gloomy it is out there. It's just awful. And we got an ocean view. And here's a bunch of my necklaces that I make. And this one I really like. This is very pretty. These are glass blown beads. All right. Here are my new jellyfish. You can see this. I made some jellyfish. They're pretty cool. All right, and there's a bunch of goodies in here. And this is one of my favorites. There's an amethyst necklace there and a necklace made of my glass beads, and it's really pretty. Okay, so here are some of my earrings that I make. And here you can see some of my pendants. This one is really cool. And here's one made with bone, shell beads, stone, amazonite. That one's a fun one. Okay. And here's one of my paintings. This is a huge painting. It was a recycled canvas, and it took me about 2 months to paint that puppy. And it is on my website in print form, or there is an original there. Now we're in the gallery part, and this is one of my paintings right here. And here's another Wardlow piece. This is beautiful. I have to sell these. They're from my personal collection. And it is an oil painting. I'm not sure. I think it's probably 24 by 30. Anyways, it is for sale for $700, which is a great bargain. His works sell for thousands. Okay, and here's one of my atmospheric watercolors, which I have framed with my lights in here. And this one's called Amelia, one of my girls. And here's an old piece I did a long time ago. Gosh, probably 25 years ago. I did this carnival horse. And here's another one of my girls up here. I kind of like that one. She's just a very simple watercolor. And this one is an original alcohol ink flower. And here we have a print of my mystical forest. And this is Santa Fe Sunset, an abstract. I think I did that one when I had to drive all the way down to Yuma to get my teeth fixed. Go figure. Okay, and here's some little minis. These little mini canvases. Over to the other side. And you can see these are all my alcohol inks right here. And the girl in the middle is a watercolor. And there's another watercolor down here. This one. These are alcohol inks. And here we have a acrylic painting. This one I call Paradise Found. It's available. And here, this is a collage under resin. And so is this one. And here's a acrylic pour. And one of my old paintings from Hawaii. And here's another by Steve Wardlow. This one is absolutely stunning. His paintings used to sell in Hawaii for about $5,000. And this is oil on canvas, and it is available for $1,600 right now. And it's one of a kind, and I don't know what happened to this artist. He may be long gone by now. He had some problems, health issues. All right, here is another one of my girls. And she is watercolors. And this one here, abstract style dahlia, my burgundy dahlia. That's an original. It is available for sale for $195. And here I have a undersea. Now I bought this one back when I lived in Hawaii. And Bob Thomas used to come to my gallery there. I had a art supply store, and we taught lessons, and he would teach. And his work is absolutely amazing. This is an acrylic on canvas, and look at the detail. And he has a store in Hawaii now, but I don't even know if he does any originals anymore. This is an original. And you can see all the detail. It's amazing. Man, he would sit there with little tiny brushes doing these. It was just stunning. And you can see I bought it back in 1990. And I got lopsided. My small acrylics on canvas. And here we have, this is one of my neurographic art. This is a piece of glass by Larry Summers, and he doesn't do these anymore because he got Parkinson's. And so I'm fortunate enough to have a piece. And let me see, here's some more of my jewelry. And some more jellyfish and glass and some pendants. All right. And let's see, we've got some more jewelry over here. And these are necklaces that I made. And you see all the beads there? I made every single bead. And these beads are metal and they're covered in glass. It's called enameling. And it's a fine powder that you melt and adhere to the stainless steel. And there's also some different kinds of things. Okay, let's go peek in this case. All right. There's a really cool green necklace. All righty. Necklaces that I've made. This one is cool. And then we also have pens with my beads on them. And here's a really cool bead. I love this bead, and I don't understand why nobody has bought it yet. Look at that. It's really fun. And then like this. It's got a little Buddha and turquoise, glass beads. And then we got cards. And these are all my images. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little walk through my gallery. And if you see anything you can't live without, drop me a DM. Let's take a last peek at my beads. So here's all the beads that I make. You can see here on these racks. There we go. And people come in, and I have been here for over 24 years, and they come in and pick out beads that they like and take them home, and hopefully they make something. Sometimes people send me a email with pictures of their creations, which is really nice. I like that. So here's my beads. I make these beads especially for earrings. They're great for that. And for making certain types of necklaces. Here's a whole bunch of my raku beads I just made. These are really fun. And then we got all kinds of stuff here. All right. Well, and then here's all my little beads. These are really great fun for working in. So, have a great day. Happy holidays and all that stuff. And see you soon.